Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dave and you're watching Dave on a Roll. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And my next goal, I already hit 50 subscribers, okay? And thanks for that, 50 subscribers. It may not be big for you, but for me, it is big. 50 people following me, like they're just seeing my videos. That's really nice. So today we are doing the Can You Spot the Animal challenge. So there's this bunch of different kinds of animals that can blend into its surroundings, and that's called the camouflaging. And let's go to the first picture. And also don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you'll get notified when I upload a video. So first we have got a photo. Really I can't find the animal in this. Maybe like a snake or something. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, you cannot see it. Yeah, you're seeing it on the side. Basically, that looks like legs. So I'm gonna think that maybe the thing on the top, this thing is the animal. I really think this is my animal. So I think that's the animal. So it's just looks like a yeah, but I'm not sure, guys. Don't make fun of me if I get it wrong. So, and it's yes, that's an animal. Yeah, let's check the. Yeah, it is an animal, guys. I'm sure. And let's just do a research right now, guys. It is a leaf-tailed gecko, if you didn't know. Yeah, knowledge. Yeah, just knowledge, you know. And it really looks like dried leaves, and it's really hard. The one thing that took it away was, I guess, that legs. This legs. Yeah. I think that's the whole thing which made it look like an animal. But now let's go to the next picture. Oh, this is kind of interesting. Don't know. I can't see the animal here. Oh, this is really hard, guys. If you are spotting this animal, please comment down below which side of the photo it is there and which animal it is. I have no idea, bro. Maybe like a frog or something. I think like a toad or something, maybe it will be there. Don't know. Oh, I spotted it, guys. Look at this. Look at that. I really think that is the animal. It looks like some like a mouse. Yes, I'm right, guys. I'm right. You know, boys, incredible genius. Just kidding, guys. That was really hard to find. Okay, you had to go over the whole picture to see that. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. Now let's take a look at the next picture. Oh, I think I know this because they've just shown this leaf, kind of an insect. It's a larvae. Some type of caterpillar, I guess. It's right here. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the answer. A caterpillar. Bro, that legit looks like a leaf, but I guess it's a caterpillar. Yes, I'm right, guys. It is some type of caterpillar of some insect or something. Yeah, so got that right too. So 2 right, and the other one sadly did I get off. So so bad. But this channel, if you're enjoying right now, please hit that subscribe button because you're gonna see more of these. Yeah, so let's just go with the next picture. What's this? Tree. Oh, I just saw it. Guys, look into the bark of the tree carefully and you will see that owl in there. So that's awesome, right? Oh, it's camouflaging so nicely. You will actually, if you don't know that there's owl here, most people won't know. Look at the colors, it's so matching to the bark of the tree. Yeah, bro, and I think it's the gray owl or something, which is really large in size. So that's awesome. And yeah, I guess that is it. Just check. Yeah, it's it. I was 100% sure that was the animal there. Now, let's go to the last picture, guys. It is a leaf, and you should basically find, I don't know, an animal in these leaves. It must be kind of some insect or oh, what are those black things? Oh, it's a snake. Oh my god, it's a snake. Oh bro, it's a snake. So that was really hard to find. Okay, I hope you guys found out too, but that is pretty incredible. Oh, awesome. And yeah, that's basically right, guys. And let's go. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you subscribed and also like this video. If you like this content, please guys consider subscribing to this channel and get this video to 5 likes if you want a part 2 of this Can You Spot These Animals. So bye guys.